Hi, it's Brendan Presner from DecoNetwork, and in this video tutorial I want to show you how you can create a decorated product with text that can be personalized. And to show you what that looks like, first I'm on my demo DecoNetwork website. So I click over to my product section, which we've called Off the Rack, and this shows pre-decorated products that we've created. So a combination of a product with a design. That design can be a simple logo, or it can be an editable template as well. And I've just created this one here, which is your name and a mascot. And the great thing about this feature is when you create a decorated product that can be personalized, the objects or the text inside that design can be exposed in this nice little personalized section. So where it's got your name, you can change it to the customer's name, and they can also swap out the mascot as well. So it really makes it a lot easier for the customer, so they don't have to go through the entire design process, launch up the designer, add text, move it around, lay it out. You've basically given them this pre-configured template that they can modify. And you can also set rules such as how many characters they can enter for a name. In this case, I've limited this to 10. So if I type in the alphabet, it won't let me go past J because I've limited it to 10 characters. So it's a great way of creating text that fits within a certain size and can take a certain number of characters and really control the design process for your clients. So now I'll show you how you can make this particular template on your website. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is log into your DecoNetwork website. Now, decorated products are on a store level, so you might have multiple websites, multiple web stores in your DecoNetwork site, and you first of all have to decide which one of these stores do you want that decorated product to be in. In my case, it's my demo website, so I'll manage that original demo site. Then under Products and Designs, you want to add the decorated product. Then click Create Decorated Products. Okay, to get started, you first have to choose the blank product that the design is going on. Now you can place this design or template onto multiple products, but you start off with one to decorate in the designer. I'll choose the standard Gildan Heavy Cotton 100% t-shirt. And then it loads up the online designer to build your decorated product. So you can use all the standard functions available in the online designer in terms of adding design and text. And we'll start off with adding text. And I'm doing it for DTG, so I'll choose DTG printing text. And I want my placeholder text to be your name. And click Add Text. Now it comes in with the default font and the default color that you choose for your website. I'll keep it pretty much the same. Now I've got to remember it can go up to 10 characters, so there could be a few additional characters either side of this word. So I just want to bring the size down a little bit to make sure it fits within the size limit for those 10 characters. And then I'll place it up the top and I'll center it with my alignment tool. Now at the moment this is just plain text. Nothing about it says it is text that can be personalized. So I can do one of two things. I can lock that layer away, which means they can't make any changes to it. That will always be on that product when they buy it, which is not what I want to do. So I'll uncheck that, and I will check Allow Personalization. That will then flag that object to say expose it as a editable field in that personalized stage of designing a decorated product. And I can set a caption, and I want the caption to be enter your name. And then I set the maximum number of characters. Now again, I'll just put in 10. It's a nice safe character limit. You obviously need to decide how many characters you need to support names that are common in your region. And with that done, I'm pretty much good to go. I now want to add my mascot, so I'll add a design. Again, do DTG printing design. And I will browse, and I will upload a mascot image that I've already prepared. And just insert that into the designer. Now the exact same rules apply to design objects as well, so again I could lock that, so in which case it'll always be on the product and they can't change it. And that's perfect for examples where you're doing a pre-made decorated product for a particular sports team where they can't change the mascot but they can only change their name. So that's perfectly designed for that. Or I can select that mascot and allow it to be personalized and put swap mascot. and allow my customers to go swap out that cougar, replace it with, a falcon or a bulldog or whatever their mascot might be. In this case, I'll actually lock it away because I want to show both examples, show what can be personalized and what will be locked as an object on the designer. And then I'll save and continue. It's important to point out as well that the font choice that you choose as a part of your lettering will also be locked as well, so you can predefine the font that the decorator product will use. Now it's time to give it a name, so we'll call it the Sydney Cougar T, and I'll put a longer description, might be 100% cotton, personalize your own Cougar fan T. And I can also add it to existing categories or make a brand new category. I'll just put it in my t-shirt category and I'll just press save and continue. At this point it says, hey, here's all the colors that are available for this particular product. I can unselect all colors and go turn off particular ones that I do or don't want. In this case, I'll let them choose all the colors. I don't really care. It's up to them. And I can even add that design to additional products by selecting select products, and maybe also put it on the ringer tee, maybe also put it on another t-shirt as well. I'll just choose those two, scroll down and save, and then save and continue. It will now go through and build those two separate decorator products for me. Save me going through making the product one after another by adding a design on every separate product. You can choose as many products as you want and DecoNetwork will build those for you. Click continue. And finally, it's just confirming the price. It's coming with my default markup of 25%, which means the retail price for this raglan sleeve will be $32. The retail price for this t-shirt will be nearly $20. You can override each of those and say, well, I think that's worth more, $35, and I think the fans will pay $25 for that t-shirt. And save and continue. And those products are now created and added to my website as well. So now if I browse back to the front end of my site, demo.deconetwork.com, go back to my off-the-rack products, we can now see the two additional ones that I just created, and we'll edit the baseball raglan tee. And in comes the design. As we saw before, the text is edited, this time because I select the cougar to not be personalized and to be locked. I can't change that, but I can swap that out, change it to my name Brendan. It'll update that text, and as a customer I can purchase and I'm good to go.